everyone. In this quick connect, we will come to know how to configure Selenium in IntelliJ IDE. And my IntelliJ IDE is an Ubuntu machine, which is a virtual machine, and I created this image using Oracle VirtualBox. This is a proper virtual box. It is not a base machine. So now I opened my IntelliJ IDE here. If you want me to open again, I'm doing it now. So let's say, okay, so let's say close. Okay, and I am just going to open IntelliJ IDE. It will take little time as it is a virtual system. As of that, like till that time, we will just identify our jar files. I downloaded all the jar files from selenium.dev. So the version of the Selenium is 4.15, the updated version I downloaded. So let me just go ahead and show you all the jar files, Selenium 4.15. And if I'll open, I can see all the jar files, outside lib and inside lib. These jar files I have to configure. Now I am working in a Java project. Probably in the next video, we will do it in Maven project. So let me quickly create a Java project here. So I can go to File menu and create a new Java project. So let's say Selenium project 2, and this is it. I am using the language Java. Fine, we are using JDK 2.1. So these are all the sample settings we need to take care and create. So I'm creating a project in IntelliJ in this window or in new window. So I'm just going to do it in this window. Okay, so we got the project created over here. Now I need to configure the external jar files which are there in test.lib folder in desktop. For that, I have to enable the project from here, and we need to go to File and Project Structure. Let me click on the project structure. Here we can see modules. Here we have to add the module, not here. Here we have to add the module. So click on add. The moment you will click on add, it will say something called jars or directories. This option we need to click. And where is our like where I stored my jar file, it is in desktop. So I have to go to desktop, and these are all the jar files. I'm opening the lib as well. So what we need to do is, I'm selecting all the jar files inside and outside lib. Done. Now let me click on OK. Then let me click on apply. Let me click on OK. So let me cross check. All the jar files has been configured here in external lib. So let's go up. Now what we need to do is, I can use the main class. It is already there. So I'm just deleting all the unwanted lines. Okay. So here let me create the instance for the WebDriver using Firefox driver class. Now what we have to do is, let me keep the cursor here, and I have to use Alt Enter to invoke the import statement or associate the import statement. So import org Selenium WebDriver has been associated with the script. Now the same thing I have to do it with Firefox driver. So I am keeping my cursor here in Firefox driver. Then I have to give Alt Enter. My job is done. Now I need to invoke any application under test. Let me just go ahead and check with Google. Yes, just giving the wait statement. So here I can say approach interrupted exception. Yes. So otherwise what I need to do is we are not worrying about the wait statement and all. You can try it by yourself. I'm just removing it because of the lack of time. Probably afterwards we can see. And I'm just disabling the print statement. We do not want. We are just trying to execute with the script to see the Firefox drive browser is getting launched with the application under test. So let me just do one thing. I am going to run the test. So run main. We can see the things are getting executed, and you can see the browser is getting opened and the application has been invoked. The entire thing we configured successfully in IntelliJ-IDEA Community Edition in our Ubuntu virtual box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is useful. Have a nice time.